see if the cat will jump up and try and catch that lizard right there. Jump, kitty cat. Catch the lizard. Where'd it go? Don't meow at me, jump! Come on. Catch the lizard, yeah, climb. You can do it. It's right there. Come on, kitty cat, jump. Yes! Now climb. Oh, it's too high. Poor kitty. Hey, Oreo. Are you looking at the lizard? It's too high. Jump on top of the sprinklers. Meow. Oh. Don't give up. Stay determined. You can do it. It's moving down a little. Cat, do you want some help? Poke, 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 poke. It won't move. Down, I say. Down. Go down for the kitty cat. He wants to play hide and seek. Play with my cat. Meow. Come on. Come on, play with him. Are you ready, kitty? Jump. Go, kitty, go. Can you reach him? Can you reach him? You can do it, kitty. Just jump a little. Yeah. Jump. Jump, kitty cat, jump. Come on. He's just right there. Come on. Oh, you want some more help? Is that what you want? Oh, keep going. You can climb. Oh my god, you're climbing the wall. Oh! Go get him. Go get him. Where'd he go? Don't look. Oh, oh. Where is he? Huh? Where is he? He's not up there. Silly cat. What are you looking at? Go find him. Oh, ho, ho. What's this? You heard something in the bushes? Let's follow the kitty. Aww, I'm sorry. Did that lizard outsmart you? Or am I stepping on him? Kitty, he ran away. There's nothing up there. Oh, now you think to go on the sprinklers. He's not over here. Nope. Meow. Find him. Go find him, kitty cat. Oh, what's wrong? I can't give you another one. You gotta go find him. I did way too much for you. Oh, you want to climb? He's not up there. He's not up there. Well, kitty, looks like you lost. I'm sorry.